Hello friends, welcome to CraftLas. I am Aarti Gupta and today I am going to make this wonderful water fountain for tabletop in which I am using some floating candles. If you like it, don't forget to comment below so that we can get your reviews. This is very easy to make and very quick also. This can be made with the material which is very easily available in the market. I got all the material from the aquarium shop. So let's start making it. We need a glass bowl, some colorful stones, and a very small motor which I get from a aquarium shop. So first of all, take your motor and place it in the center of the bowl. Now cover the motor with the colorful stones. I am using stones to hide the motor and this will look very nice in the daylight. People used to make these type of fountains at the Diwali time also. And if you want to know other methods of making the water fountain, then you can watch our other videos of water fountain tutorials. I have given the link in the description. So, fully cover the motor like I have done. Now, plug in the motor and fill the bowl with water. No need to completely fill it. Yeah. Now I have a rose. So put your rose petals in the water. See how the water is coming out from the pump. It's looking very nice. You can use any flower. And if you have some tea light candles, as I am using, these are floating candles. Place it in the waterfall and look, our waterfall is ready. Make it for Diwali or other festivals or for room decoration and enjoy crafting. If you like it, don't forget